Hello children, welcome back to English online class. Before starting the class, take out your English textbook, this one, and open page number 17, this page. This lesson I have already explained in my live online class. Okay, now I am again going to read the lesson and you have to read along with me. Unit 2, Prose, the scholar's mother tongue. This is all activities that I have already told you. Now puzzle is there, in read and enjoy. One day Akbar drew a line with his royal hand on the floor of the open court and commanded. This is for reading purpose. I want everybody to read in the class. Make this line shorter, but don't by any means erase any part of it. So one day what Akbar did, he drew a line and he said that make this line shorter, but you are not supposed to erase this line. Everyone was stumped. Stumped means they are not able to give any answer by this puzzle. Okay. Everyone was stumped by this puzzle. When it was Birbal's turn, he at once turned the page. Page number 18. Now read on. When it was Birbal's turn, he at once drew a longer line next to the first line without touching the first line. So in this way he made the line short. He drawn one more line next to that first line and it was longer to the first line. Everyone in the court saw it and said, that's true. The first line is shorter. This is how Birbal made Akbar's line shorter. Now there is one joke. Let's laugh. Teacher, why are you late? Ram, because of sign. Teacher, what sign? Ram, the one that says school ahead, go slow. Now learn this, from here story begins about the scholar's mother tongue. A learned scholar, Pandit, once visited the court of Akbar. He says, I have mastery over different languages. And the Pandit continues, I can speak many languages fluently. Oh, sounds good. The Pandit makes a challenge to the court. Is there anybody present here who can find out what my mother tongue is? Okay. Now turn the page. The courtiers discussed among themselves. These are the courtiers, they are discussing among themselves. Maybe Kannada, Urdu, Tamil, like that they are discussing. Now come down. But they fail in their attempt to find out the Pandit's mother tongue. And so you all accept defeat. Oh no, oh no. Just then Birbal speaks. Well, Pandit, I shall find out what your mother tongue is in a day or so. Glad to hear that. Birbal, take your own time. This is Pandit and this is Birbal, okay? And this is Akbar who is sitting on the throne. That night, Birbal sneaks into the Pandit's bedroom and finds him fast asleep. He whispers into Pandit's ear. Then he tickles his ear with a feather. See, here Pandit is sleeping and he whispers something and he is tickling his ear with the feather. Turn the page. Pandit in his sleep shouts words in his mother tongue. Oh well, that's it. So he is shouting in his mother tongue and then he came to know what his mother tongue is. Now, the next day in the court, Your Majesty, The Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu. Yes. He said yes. Come to next page. Page number 23. King Akbar is astonished, means surprise. Astonished means surprise. Well done, Birbal. But how did you find it out? He's saying Akbar is saying that, well done, Birbal. How did you find it out? Your Majesty, in times of difficulty, a person speaks his mother tongue. Okay, this Pandit is there and he is Birbal. Birbal then narrates the entire incident that took place in the Pandit's bedroom the previous night. Clever Birbal, you have indeed proved your wit again. Thank you, Your Majesty. The courtiers praise Birbal's wit and the Pandit leaves the king courts in dismay. Dismay means disappointed. So the courtiers who are present in the court, they praise Birbal's wit, Birbal's wisdom, and the Pandit leaves the king's court in dismay. They are saying hooray, and he is saying, I accept this, I accept defeat, my lord. Indeed, Birbal is cleverer than me. So this story is in the form of comic. Nowadays, you may not be reading comic because of a smartphone. Previous stories you will get in the form of comic. Children used to read comic. Now, children, first man I have given you. What I have given you? What hard words. Now this is the second man which you have to write in your notebook. Everybody should complete, because tomorrow my live class is there. There I'm going to ask. Now you write meanings or glossary, whatever you want, you can write. This is second man. Scholar. Scholar, what is the meaning? Someone who has studied a subject and knows a lot about it. Okay, then quote they have given in Kannada meaning. If you want to write in Kannada, you can write. Fluent, able to use a language naturally without stopping or making mistake. Then sneak. Sneak means go quietly. Whisper. Whisper means speak in a low voice. Tickle. Tickle means touch someone lightly. Astonished. Astonished means surprised. Okay. Dismay. Dismay means a feeling of sadness and disappointment. The feeling of dismay means a feeling of sadness and disappointment. So this you have to write in your notebook. This is second man. First man, hard word. Second word, this word meaning. Scholar, someone who has studied a subject and knows a lot about it. That is Pandit. Then fluent, able to use language naturally without stopping or making mistake. Sneak, go quietly. Whisper means speak in a low voice. Tickle, touch something lightly. Astonish, surprise. Dismay, a feeling of sadness, disappointment. A feeling of sadness and disappointment. So you have to write in your notebook. This meanings I am going to ask in your live class, and I am also going to ask you to read, because I have read once and ask you to read along with me. Children, for today this much only. Thank you. Have a nice day.